Hello. Now this was the question that I've given in the assignment in the last video. So today I'll be giving you the solution. So it is a very concept based question. So let me first define the question. So the smallest number which leaves remainder 12 and 8 when divided by 32 and 20. That means what? Suppose let x be the required smallest number. Which we have to find. Solution. Which we have to find. So according to the question, that means when this number is divided by 32, it will have some quotient and the remainder according to the question is 12. And also when this same number x is divided by 28 some other quotient and the remainder is 8. And this is the situation and you have to find the value of x. This is the question. So for solving this, we have to go through the basics of the division process. You see, let me take some example to explain you. Suppose I am taking any number, say 13, and I am dividing it by say number 3. Then 3 4 are 12 and the remainder is 1. Then I am again dividing the same number 13 by a different divisor. Let me take say 5 this time. 5 2s are 10 and the remainder is 3. So the situation, I am depicting the situation something like that. I am taking an example just to make you understand what is going on. So you see here, divisor different, number is same 13, divisors different and remainders different. Now in this kind of solving this kind of question, you have to observe that is whether the difference between the divisor and the remainder in each case are same or not. It has to be same, otherwise not possible to do. So as you see in this case 3 divisor, remainder is 1, 3 minus 1, 2. In this case divisor is 5 and the remainder is 3, so it is 2. So here also you see divisor is 32, remainder is 12. So divisor minus remainder, let me check for this. What is this? In this case it is 32 minus 12, that is 20. And in this case also same, divisor 28 and the remainder is 8, same. So that we have checked. That is divisor minus remainder in both the cases has to be same. So if same, then we can use this logic. So let us come to the example. So here we see it has to be same. Now you see, now whenever there is a remainder in a division process, surely the dividend cannot be the multiple of the divisor, obviously. So now how can I get a multiple of this divisor? You observe, the difference is 2. So you see, if I add this difference to the dividend, that is dividend plus your divisor minus remainder, what happens? Dividend is 13 and this difference is 2, 15. This 15 is now a multiple of 3. Similarly in this case also, your divisor is dividend is 13 plus the difference is 2, 15. So this 15 is also a multiple of 5. So what we find that in both the cases, if I add the difference of the constant difference of the divisor and remainder to the dividend, we will be getting multiples of the divisors. So in that case, so here, so using observing this, so we can say now, Therefore, x, this number plus this constant difference, this is a multiple of the divisors, means 32 and 20. Multiple of 32 and 28. Okay, this is the main thing that you have to understand. How do you get multiples of the divisors? Simply by adding the difference of the divisor and remainder to the dividend, or to the number. So then that number will be multiple of the divisors. So that's why this number x plus 20, the constant, that's why the difference has to be same, constant difference, because multiple of these two. Now the number is the smallest number. So obviously x should be such that this is the lowest common multiple, because this becomes a common multiple. So therefore, according to the question, x plus 20 will be the least common multiple of the divisors. So this is the main thing of this question that you have to understand. And from this we can solve the value of x. Very easy. Now, so first of all, you find out LCM of 32 and 20. It's very easy, that all of you will be able to do very easily. 32 is your 2 to the power 5 and 28, 2 square into 7, 4 7 is 28. So the LCM will be highest power 2 to the power 5 and the left out factor 7. This is the LCM. So what is this? 2 to the power 5 is 32 into 7. So if I multiply, it will become 224. 224. So therefore x plus 20 is the LCM I found out to be 224. Therefore x is equal to 224 minus 20, that is 204. That is the answer. So in this way we have to do it from the concept. Pause.